Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez and I hope everyone is doing well. Stay at home safe and with all this craziness going on. I live in New York City. I'm myself and I'm in quarantine, so try to don't go outside the house and be safe, and just listen to this video because I'm gonna give you a couple tips here how to go from the bottom all the way to the top on your business. I'm gonna give you 5 tips that you guys can follow, and so you guys create on your own, so you guys can be successful with photography, especially if you're starting in photography. Okay, so I would say tip number 1 is find what type of photography you like to do. If you like to do weddings, or if you like to do headshots, or you like to do family, find something that you like. Trust me, you don't want to wake up every single day thinking about, oh, I hate this, I hate that. You want to wake up every single day with excitement, like you're happy. You cannot wait to do this photo shoot because you really want to do this. That's the way you want to wake up every single day, thinking about that you love what you do and that you cannot wait to create those photos, because you don't want to be in a type of photography photography jobs that you be like, damn, I hate this. If you're doing food photography, you like to do food photography. If you're doing weddings, you love doing weddings. Find something that you like and that you love, so you can be successful and you can make money and make it happen. Okay. Tip number 2 is create a website. You need to create a website and upload the best 20 of your best photos. Create also an email with info. Don't create an email with mikephotography.com. Create more like info@mikephotography.com. It sounds more professional for yourself, for your business, and people's gonna take you more seriously like that. So also you can create a Facebook account, an Instagram account, and link your website in there. So people, once they find you on Facebook, they find you on Instagram, they click on your link of your website, and they go to your website, and it's gonna help you to rank more on Google. So put your website on your Facebook and your Instagram. So it's gonna help you a lot, trust me. So let's say tip number 3: invest on your business, guys. Be confident. If you're not enough confident to start charging for your work, you guys can do what you guys can do is you guys can reach to your local photographer who does photography workshops, and you guys can attend to one of those photography workshops, and you guys can learn a lot about photography, how to do lighting, but also how the marketing and the business side of photography is. These photographers, they can teach you how to do photography, and they can teach you how to market yourself as a photographer and how everything works, so you guys can be successful with your photography. You don't want to be able to take only beautiful photos, but you don't know nothing about photography. You want to be able to do both of them. So take some classes and you're good to go. Trust me, it's gonna help you and you're gonna be successful. So I say market yourself. This is tip number 4. Market yourself is so important. You need to learn how to market yourself. Now, if you're doing weddings and you want to get wedding clients, market yourself where the couples are engaged and trying to get those couples that are engaged. How you do that? You go to Facebook and you put ads on Facebook for couples that are engaged, and then you're trying to get those. So pay a little bit of money on Facebook ads and you get yourself couple are engaged. The same thing if you're trying to get people who does headshots, put ads for headshots. Hey, I'm doing headshots, I charge this for headshots, I have this special, so you guys can get clients that are looking for headshots, for a headshot photographer. So target your potential clients to where you want and where you need, so you can get those clients. Hey, if Coca-Cola marketing themselves all the time, why no, you don't have to do it? Let's say on Christmas, right? When Christmas comes, Coca-Cola is doing commercials, so you don't forget that you need to go to a supermarket and buy yourself a Coca-Cola to use it at your party, right? To drink it at your party. So if Coca-Cola is doing that, why are you not doing the same? You need to think as a business person, as a company, so you guys can make money in photography. So be smart and think big. Stop thinking small, guys. You need to think big. Okay. You also can do like bridal showcase. You can go to bridal showcase and display your work in there, so brides, they can see your work. You can put your albums, you can order a large print, and you can put it in this bridal showcase, and the bridals, they come and you get bookings. You could do that. Some bridal showcase, it costs $400, $1,000, $2,000, depends how big the bridal showcase. But if you spend $400 in a bridal showcase and you get one wedding of $5,000, you get yourself a $4,500 profit. So I think it's worth it, right? So do that. You can market yourself to real estate companies. They're looking for headshots. You can market yourself to companies. They're always looking for photography guys, for headshots, for parties, for anything like that. So you need to learn how to market yourself and the type of photography that you do. Any type of photography you do, you need to learn how to do it. So tip number 5 is, if you're gonna do this, don't be scared to charge. A lot of photographers, they're always scared to charge. If you're scared to charge, you ain't gonna make any type of money with photography. You need to charge for your time, for what you do. Everything costs money. Nothing is for free, guys. Lights cost money. Cameras cost money. Lenses, all type of photography gear, it costs money. But not only that, you need to pay your taxes. Not only the taxes, but you also need to pay your employees. If you have an assistant, you have to pay for that assistant to help you to carry the light. So you need to pay him. So somebody has to pay that. So you need to charge for that. You cannot be shy to be charging for your work. So how are you gonna be available? How are you not gonna charge for your work? Because if you don't charge for your work, you're gonna be available to live. You're not gonna be available to pay your bills. You're not gonna be available to pay for your photography gear. You're not gonna be available to pay for your employees. You're not gonna be available to have a photography studio if you don't charge the right money for your business. So a lot of people get scared and they're like, oh my God, I'm afraid. I don't know if I should charge this type of money. Don't be afraid, man. You need put it at the be confident. You need to be confident on yourself. You need to respect yourself as a professional photographer, so other people can respect your work too. So if you don't give value to your work, nobody's gonna do it for you. You need to give value to your work. People need to see all of this. You need to do it. And another thing, guys, you cannot be shy to talk to people. You need to talk to people. You need to figure out what to do and how to do it. So you guys can make money. If you don't talk in photography, you ain't gonna make money with photography. This is simple as that. If you don't talk, you ain't gonna make money with photography. You need to talk. You need to be a people person. So if you talk, you make money. If you don't talk, you stay quiet, you ain't gonna make money. You need to talk to people. Hey, listen, hey, I'm a photographer. This is the type of photography that I do. Hey, if you know anybody looking for a photographer, I want to work with you. Can we do some networking? I give you some commission. So you need to talk to people, make it happen. Okay? Don't be cheap. Also, don't try to do all this type of work and be so cheap. You need to charge the right money for your work. Okay? So guys, if you have any questions about photography, please leave me a comment in this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Hit the bells on this channel over here so you can know when I'm putting a new video out. And see you on the next one. Keep rocking those cameras. Peace.